3 must do repairs for home sellers. What am I talking about? All repairs I must do. No, I have three. So we'll talk about that in a minute. Hey there, this is KGMA Realtor with Fairfax Realty in Greenbelt, where we have buyers to buy their dream home and sellers to sell their houses. And we do this in the Maryland, DC, and Virginia region. So if you're looking to buy, sell, move, invest in real estate, contact us below. We'll take care of it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. So talking about 3 must do repairs for home sellers. So you as a home seller, if you're thinking about selling your house, one of the first things you really want to do is to sit down and analyze. Apart from the price, everybody is looking at the price, how much am I going to get? But that is tied to so many things, right? What you're going to get for your sale tied to so many things, ties to what is going on in the market, what other houses are selling for. It's tied to the condition of your house. The condition of your house, highly important. So regardless of what your plan is to do a lot of repairs or not to do any repairs, we have some sellers like that. I'm not doing anything. You want to sell the house as it is, that's okay, you can do that. But it all boils down to money. So there's three must do repairs that I want you to do as a seller. Plan to do them so that you get more money for your house. 3. The first one is fix everything that is broken. Fix everything that is broken. So doorknobs, cabinet knobs, broken, right? You may be okay with it. You've been living in the house and you're okay with it. No. When buyer comes in, regardless of what the buyer already thought about the house, you're selling as it is, they're looking at this thing. Coming in and you have broken windows, broken doorknobs, no. Broken closets, doors. I mean, I've seen it all. And then when you think about it, you're looking at the price of the house. Like, they want what for this house? Now, so as much as you can, there's certain repairs that really is not going to cost arm and a leg. If you have the funds, and you should have the fund, right? If you have the fund, go ahead and fix those things that are very obvious. Even if you're selling the house as it is, like I said, broken doorknobs, broken cabinets, kitchen cabinets. I mean, I have been into houses where the cabinet is hanging down, and this buyer is like, okay, if this is broken, then I'm sure there are other things that I'm not seeing that are broken. So you want to fix those things. So fix it. So if there's a big ticket item that you don't have the money to fix, but it's broken. Let's talk about water heater. The water heater is broken, or a large window is broken, and you don't have the fund to fix these things. That's okay. It's not okay, but that's okay. Make sure, first of all, you let your agents know that you're not going to fix it. Ideally, you want to get an estimate. Get estimates that what is going to cost to fix this thing, those items. Get 2 or 3 estimates and make sure this is disclosed to the buyer. Make sure, that means if you tell your agent, it has to be disclosed. These things are broken and the homeowner is not going to fix it. So that's the first one. Fix everything that is broken. Very important. The second one is quiet the noises. What am I talking about? Quiet the noises. So when you walk around the house, inside the house, there's some noises. Maybe you're already used to those noises because you've been living in the house and it doesn't really bother you anymore. But it will bother buyers when they come in. You walk into the house and everywhere is squeaking. Okay. If you have the funds, you really want to quiet those noises down. You know, it looks so bad when home buyers are walking up the stairs and squeaky, squeaky, squeaky noise going around. And it's like, oh, what is going on? This is going to cost thousands of dollars. These things may not even cost thousands of dollars, but that is buyer's mentality. So you want to fix those noises. Maybe you can get someone that is not living in your house, because if you're used to those noises, you may not hear them anymore. Maybe get somebody that does not live in the house to listen to the noises and fix them appropriately. So pre-adventure, you don't have the fun and you're selling as it is, you're not touching anything, despite my advice to fix it. Disclose, disclose, disclose. You can never go wrong when you disclose upfront. Let your agent know this thing is making squeaky noise and I'm not fixing it. But also, just like my first must do, also you may want to get an estimate. Actually, get an estimate. What is it going to cost to fix these items? The reason why you get an estimate is if a buyer comes in and say, "Oh God, this thing is going to cost $10,000," like, no, I have the estimate, true estimate. It's not going to cost $10,000. This is what it's going to cost. So you kind of come in from the bargaining points that you know what it's going to cost to fix that. So get an estimate. Ideally, you want to fix it, but finances are different from different people, but you want to sell the house. So if you cannot fix it, get an estimate. Free estimates are available. Get a free estimate to make sure and find out how much it's going to cost to fix the squeaky noise. That's the second one, right? The third one is fix leaks. Whew! Leaks are big issue. There's nothing that turns off buyers, even agents, than water leaks. Whew. Because remember, by the time you see that water leak, it has damaged a lot of things. So fix the leak. Ideally, if you're living in the house, you should have fixed the leak, because it saves you more in the end to quickly fix a leak rather than leave it to, leak. But go around the house, look at under the kitchen cabinets, bathroom cabinets, fix those leaks. Fix. Basement. Do you have a basement? You want to make sure there's no water damage around your basement. Nothing is coming in. If you have sump pump, make sure your sump pump is working well. Fix leaks. Water issue is a big deal. Buyers are not able to kind of say, "Oh, I'll get over this." No, you want to make sure they don't have any leaks. What about drip? I have been in homes where the kitchen sink is dripping, drip. That is so annoying. So fix that drip. Even if it's not damaging anything, it's actually wasting water, but fix that drip. In the kitchen, in the bathroom, shower head dripping, drip. Fix it. These things may not cost a lot of money. It's really not a lot of money. Fix the shower head drip. If it is a big ticket item, like I've said earlier, like if you have a roof that is leaking, I hope not. If you have a roof that is leaking, first of all, you want to fix that before you even put in the house in the market. Get your insurance to fix it, Or if you had a roof that leaked, right, and you fix it, the wood underneath the uh, roof, if it's still stained with water, if it's getting moldy, that is a big issue. I've seen this several times. The roof is changed, but for whatever reason, the roofer did not change those 2x2 or whatever they call them, woods under the roof. And home inspector see this like, oh, there's mold. And mold is not what you want to hear when you're buying a house. And mold is not what you want to hear when you're selling a house. So if you add a prior leak, make sure the wood, especially for roof underneath, is fixed. Also, if you add a prior leak for your bathroom, it drips down, drip, and then damage the drywall, fix the drywall as well. Like, this is no more active leak, but the stain is still there. Fix it. Even if you're selling as it is, to fix those things is not that expensive. Fix it, because the thing is, the more little bit of items that is obvious to buyers when they walk into the house, the less you're going to get for your house. Period. Your buyer walking in, they're saying squeaky floor, like, ooh, what's going on? Cabinets hanging, dropping because it's damaged. And then they walk to the bathroom, drip. Those drip is dripping money off of your sale. So fix those items. Must fix 3 items for seller. Even if you're going to sell as it is, it will net you more money, and some of these fixes may not actually cost a lot of money. So do it so you get more money for your house. All right, so if you're looking to sell without even doing all those fix, I want you to do them. Doing the fix or upgrading, contact KG, will take care of you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. Happy selling!